So, dito na ba aking mother-in-law? Wala pa. So, ito, ready na ako. Ayan, hinihintay ko na lang siya. Sabi niya 7:15. So, I'm hoping hindi siya natulog ulit kasi ginising ko siya ng 6 o'clock. So, ayan, paayos tayo ng hair. Paano lang, ano niya to, libre niya to. So, ayan. So, tingnan natin kung gising na siya. Message natin. So, guys, look at the corn, oh. Lumalaki na sila. Ew, what the heck is that? Oh. Ayan, oh, ang dami na, oh. Lumalaki na sila. They're getting big. So exciting. Tingnan nyo, oh. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go. Ayun na si mother. Let's go. Good morning. Good morning. Hey. Let's go. So yan, dito na tayo. Say hi. Is that before? Is that before? There we go. So dito tayo guys sa marble
Okay. Well, I was messaging her because I was like, I don't know who to message. I think she's loving her hair patience. Look at this.
Yeah. See, she loves the camera. She's always taking selfies.
So here is our hair. This is the before and after. Look at mom. Look at her. You look like a new person.
Yes.
I went a little darker, guys.
Yes. I did too.
Mom too. So let's go!
Okay.
So guys, ito na kami sa ballet ni Natalia. Come on, go. Let's go.
We have to cross this.
Yes, you have to cross right there. And then I'm gonna go get the car. So we can park right here. Look at you, look at me. Ooh, ganda. Alright, let's go.
Small and big.
Ayan, nalagay niya na yung top shoes niya by herself. Go ahead. Go ahead, put it on. Alright. Alright, the other one. Alright. Here's your backpack. Alright, you ready? Alright. Give me a kiss. So, ayan guys, iniwan natin si Natalia sa loob na mag-isa ulit siya. And, hindi naman siya nagreklamo. Oh my gosh, alam nyo ba, nagpark ako doon sa kabilang area. And, kailangan kong ilipat yung car. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman yun parte ng building na pinupuntahan natin. So, as in, sobra kasing liit lang ng parking area dito. Kaya, doon ako nagpark sa kabila. So, as soon as umalis na yung mga nauna, nahirapan pa din ako mag-park. Diyos me, yung Maria, no? Pa, yun, sa loob na si Natalia, mag-isa. And, yeah. Iniwanan natin siya doon mag-isa. Like, last time, iniwanan ko siya mag-isa. So, yes. And, si Daddy ang maghahatid dun sa dalawa na mag-football. Kaya, ano, and then, tinanong na din ako kung ano ang schedule ng para kay Natalia sa next sa next dance nila. Yung tinatawag dito na fall. So, tawag na to, para nakaschedule na siya and ready to go na. So, ginawa kong appointment sa kanya is Wednesday. Kasi pwedeng Monday and Wednesday eh. So, inano ko na lang ng Wednesday kasi ang practice ni Chad at saka ni Caleb at saka ni Troy is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tatlong araw. So, yeah. Para as day off pa rin ni Daddy yung at nang hindi ako mahirapan. Kasi kung Monday ko ilalagay ang ballet ni Natalia, Diyos ko po, hindi ko alam paano ko i-stretch yung time dahil 5:30 yung kanya and 6 o'clock yung dun sa dalawa. So, 'di ba? As in, hindi ko kayang i-stretch yung aking oras. Ihahatid ko siya, tapos yung ganon, hindi ako pwedeng magpabalik-balik. Diyos ko po, sayang sa gas, my God. But yun, nako, si Natalia guys, nako, hindi siya mapakali. Laging puro, can we go to my ballet dance? Can we go to my ballet dance? Puro ganon. Sobrang excited niya sa kanyang ballet dance. And I'm so happy na nag-i-enjoy siya sa ballet dance. So, sobrang happy talaga ako dahil nag-i-enjoy siya. So, I'm happy na nag-i-enjoy siya at gustong-gusto niya yung ginagawa niya. So, kaya sign up na rin natin siya. Ano na yan, tuloy-tuloy na yan hanggang hindi ko alam kung merong kasi pang fall, hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan yung kanilang mga yung dance nila. So, yeah. Anyway, so, yan. Dito lang tayo sa car. Maghintay kay Natalia hanggang 6:30. So, it's 5:45 na. So, hintayin natin siya matapos. So, gusto niya ba yung aking hair, guys? Oh my God. Ayan, pinadarker ko ang aking hair. Ayan. So, pinadarker natin ang ating hair this time. Kasi sabi ko, para maiba naman, hindi yung puro blonde na lang yung, or puro highlight na lang yung ko. So, ayan, bagay ba? Bagay ba? Just. So, ayan, maghintay lang tayo dito. Siguro manunod lang ako ng movie or Netflix. And then, yun lang ang magagawa ko ngayon. Ay! Oh, excuse me. And I am so happy guys na okay na yung I'm feeling better na. Medyo pa din kung nyo sa aking boses. Medyo hindi pa tayo pero I'm a little better na. Kaya dahil kailangan natin maging better. Dahil marami tayong anak na kailangang ihatid sa mga kung ano-ano mga sports ang meron sa kanila. Kaya kailangan natin maging better. But yeah, anyways, manood muna ako Netflix. Dapat na natin si Ate Girl. That's good? You ready, girl? Sa likod siya, guys. Alright, let's go. So, punta na tayo, guys, sa football practice. At umulan ng konti. So, dahan-dahan tayo pag-drive dahil alam nyo naman yung car ko hindi pa ayos. So, kailangan natin mag-drive ng dahan-dahan. So, let's go. So, dito na kami sa practice. Oh, ayun pa. Ang layo naman niya. There's Daddy waving. Go. There's Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, Cece.
And Kuya Chad. There is my kids. You want to sit right here?
The other kids out there.
I'll sit right here.
Okay, you sit right there. And the other kids over there. There's Troy. Oh my gosh, I can feel the sprinkling.
I was telling you, my keys went on, you'd be to unlock the truck.
Yeah, we parked like right there
That's not
too.
where you parked.
So did you saw me struggled parking?
A little bit.
So yes guys, I was struggled parking. So yung kailangan natin ng umbrella dahil umuulan na, no? Yeah, you need to get the umbrella.
English, I don't hear you.
You need to get the umbrella.
I can't hear you.
I said we need to get the umbrella. It's raining now. And she said that she might stop the little ones when it start raining. What happened?
I like it when it rains.
Why not?
Hey,
You don't like it when it rains?
you took a shower. So what's the difference?
Go and say hi to Beth. Beth is over there. She wants to see you with your ballet dance. Go. So guys, it is raining. Yan. Natalia, it's raining, ha?
It's raining, yeah. It is raining.
Buti na lang may
like
umbrella
crazy.
si Daddy. And sila Troy nagpe-play pa din sila while it's raining. Eh, takot sa rain tong batang to. Tingnan nyo. Ayan guys, so umuulan. Sige pa rin. Sige. Hindi ni Troy alam ko nung gagawin niya dahil first year niya lang. What you got? How was your practice today? Good. You need to run more, boy. Huh? Troy. You need to run more, huh? Yeah? Is it good? Yeah. Huh?
Why is everyone going to?
Oh, well, it's time to go home.
Don't sit there. You can't sit on that. She's sitting on the strap.
Really, get off of there. You're gonna flip the chair. Don't sit there.
My leg is stuck. My zipper.
Well, put it back in there.
Why it's so far away?
Get it. Oh, my Lord.
Hungry.
Hi, Caleb. How's your practice?
You don't get to have fun.
Huh? Good?
And I need some snacks.
Okay, well, I'll give you a snack when we get to the car.
Get a drink.
Get a drink. All right, let's go.
Just
Alright.
put it underneath your arm. Carry it like this.
She carried it like that yesterday.
Okay.
Come on, Troy. You thirsty? Alright, come on. Let's go. Alright, uwi na tayo guys dahil tapos na ang practice. So let's go home.
I lied to that